Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to remove your Audible subscription easily. First, open your preferred web browser and navigate directly to the Audible website. It is important to know that you cannot cancel your membership through the mobile app itself. You will need your login details ready to sign into your account on the website. This simple step ensures you access the correct portal for managing your subscription. Once you are logged in, navigate to the top right corner of the page and hover over your name. A drop-down menu will appear where you should select account details. On the next page, scroll down until you see the View Membership Details section. Within this area, you will find a link or button that says Cancel Membership. Click this option to begin the cancellation process. Audible will then prompt you to select a reason for your cancellation. Choose the option that best reflects why you are leaving the service. Sometimes, Audible may present an offer to entice you to stay, perhaps a discounted rate for 3 months or an option to pause your membership for 1 or 2 months. Carefully review any such offers to decide if they suit your needs. After considering any offers, you will need to click a final Confirm Cancellation button to complete the process. A confirmation message will immediately appear on your screen, indicating that your membership has been successfully terminated. Additionally, you should receive a confirmation email to the address associated with your Audible account within a few minutes. Retain this email for your records, ensuring peace of mind.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.